The Three Little Lizards, Episode 2. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, three little lizards named Brutus, Peppa, and Pina played together every day.
Hey Pina, Peppa, let's play a prank on the birds again.
No, Brutus. Last time we got in trouble.
But Brutus was mischievous and didn't listen. He snuck up on the bird and scared it, making it hurt its leg.
Peekaboo!
You're not a little lizard. One day, someone will teach you a lesson.
Suddenly, a wizard appeared and cast a curse on Brutus.
For scaring innocent creatures, you shall become a sausage forever. And for not stopping your friend's mischief, Peppa and Pina, you shall become sausage to learn the value of teamwork.
Brutus, Peppa, and Pina puffed in shock as they turned into sausages.
Oh no, what have we done? We should have stopped Brutus.
I'm sorry, friends. I didn't mean to cause trouble.
It's okay, Brutus. Let's work together to make things right.
So, the three little lizards approached the bird, seeking forgiveness, and then embarked on a journey of kindness, discovering the importance of empathy along the way.
Thank you, little lizard. You've shown kindness. By the way, I have to go now. I'll see you around, guys. Bye. Bye, bird. Bye, bird.
Bye, bird!
Little lizards, you have learned your lesson well. I will lift the curse. Remember, kindness and cooperation are the keys to happiness.
By the sway of his hand, the wizard reversed the spell, restoring Peppa, Brutus, and Pina to their lizard forms.
We promise to be better friends from now on.
From that day on, Peppa, Pina, and Brutus played together, spreading joy and laughter throughout the magical forest. And whenever they faced a challenge, they knew that by working together, they could overcome anything. The end.
Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, share,
And subscribe! See you in our next journey! Bye-bye!
bye. Bye.